Hello, once again welcome back to our channel, Islam in a Nutshell, where we teach everything about Islam. In this video, let's learn how to say Shahada the correct way, plus its meaning. When you say Shahada and also witness it, then you have become a Muslim, so this video is very useful to those who would like to take Shahada themselves and those who would like to master it. Now let's say it in Arabic, repeat after me.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.
Now, let's say it faster and full. You can pause the video if you want. Repeat after me.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.
Congratulations, welcome to Islam my beautiful sister or brother. May Allah ease your journey throughout.